We got a new box. eBay front lip has arrived. Honestly, I'm very happy they didn't fold this. First impression though, this is definitely not straight, so that's already not fun. So I don't have a heat gun. Came with these little screws. It's good. And you know, that's pretty much it. Like, it is what I wanted. I wanted something with a more aggressive, like, part that comes a little forward here. You know, it's not just flat down. It goes up a lot. This is really flexible. I didn't expect this to be that flexible. Like, I can easily bend it, which I guess is good, you know? Something that's gonna be that low. Let's see if it fits properly. I really did not want to rock this thing like that, so I got some paint matched Renaissance red paint. So I'll try to do this properly again. It didn't really work when I did the Jetta's spoiler, but you know, like, scuff it, use filler primer, which I got this really cool little gun for it, you know, just so I can do like that. Let's see where that goes. It's better for the finger anyway. And I have 1K clear. All right, I know what I literally said in the last video, right? But even if I did just put it black, like straight up on here, I feel like black and red works. Fitting it up like that. If I did other red, black accents, like maybe the mirrors or something, maybe that would work. But I want to do all red. Like, I think it's gonna look super neat. I gotta clean that up a little better. I gotta buy a new one. That's all like wet and disgusting inside. This tab is where we drill into, right? So we're gonna put this up with the 3M tape, and this I'm gonna drill through into the bumper, which I don't care about. It's fine. These will drill into as well. It doesn't fit the best. Like, now I'm really pushing it against it, right? I already scuffed it here, but it doesn't, like, there's not that much, like, it goes over, you know? I wonder if there's enough plastic to, I guess there is. That should be fine. I gotta paint this anyway, so. See, like, I wonder if this is Bondo. Like, I wonder if this couldn't have been repainted, because these are the factory pinstripes. But I wonder what happened, because this was badly painted. This was not well painted. Anyway, whatever. It's a solid however many feet away. See, like, it kind of looks good. Like, it doesn't look bad, but the paint match is gonna look way better. Maybe, hey, if I do a good job with the lip, I'll just do the whole bumper. Why not? So I'm gonna start with 180 grit. I'm gonna start with 180 just because, like, it's already here, and I figure the primer is already gonna fill up everything. So I'll do a pass of 180 and then 400, and then we'll do some filler, some primer. I mean, why not? Let's try. Even though I'm not really about just wasting money, this was only $100, so hopefully I'm not fucking it up. I think this is what you're supposed to do, though. Just do this and then clean it up with some alcohol. So the other day, I was looking around and I found this really good workbench. Just paid $1,000 for it. It's really nice. It comes with wheels for some reason. Oh, it's been way too long. You can see this is the 400 grit line mark. This is 400 grit sand. This is not yet sand. I sanded it, wiped it out with alcohol. Or not 400, 320. Need to replace this already. Yeah. They say it's the most important part of prep, or prep is the most important part of paint. I get why, and I get why people hate it too. I feel like such a fucking dad. Like, shorts, just, you know, sitting on this little picnic thing. Like, why am I always like this? Like, I feel like such a dad. Is this a dad thing to have, like a Maker's Mark shirt? Probably. I don't know. Feels like it. I have a dad car though. Nice. This I feel like dad, not daddy. First layer of primer applied. A mega professional paint stand. The homie Chris. Chris is rad. He's a good guy. Rolls up in that. This is beautiful. It's turned out really good. Just fixing my mistakes.
We're gonna definitely have to sand that, but that's
a
light sand.
Yeah, we have to sand everything.
not bad though.
It's not bad though.
Man, it's gonna match colors.
It's
too.
gonna be perfect, bro.
Man,
It's gonna be perfect.
It's
I'm so excited, bro.
gonna look nice, man.
What do you think, brother?
Hell yeah, man.
Looking good, right?
This is perfect.
The phone can't even focus on it because it's such an even fucking... Well, except on that bug, yeah, never mind. My phone is having a really hard time focusing. That's how good it is.
Yeah. Can't even register what it's looking like.
There you go. That bug is helping me, actually. Oh, there you go. It's perfect focus now. Nice. Trying to get a better angle here. Because, like, it does look so... It looks perfect.
It looks really good.
Yeah, this sucks. But we'll sort that out right now. I feel so bad about this. This is hilarious. Alex Licklighter Drift tire paint stand. Beautiful. Ultra mega DIY. I'm the foreman. I'm just supervising the work. Chris here is doing everything.
Pretty much just making everything as level as possible. Make sure all the paint is nice and clear.
Beautiful, man. This guy. Is that going through it or no?
A little bit, yeah.
Yeah? Yeah, we should have done it. Maybe you want to do maybe another coat or no?
I think if we do another coat evenly as possible, we're solid.
You're solid?
Yeah. This is just to remove any like level. Like this right here would be good.
Yeah.
I'll probably do another side. This is to reduce that. And then when we hit it with the other layer, bang, it's gone. Cause like, see that? It's all popping out more.
Yeah.
Now that we're shaving it down. Yeah.
I mean, let's see. If it's only this thing, like, I don't mind leaving this here, you know? I can maybe even touch it up. I don't know. We'll see.
Here at Broken Hashira,
Yes.
we do everything with care and love. Look at this beautiful, beautiful red that we're doing on a custom lip.
Bro, this is so satisfying and fun to do.
It's so beautiful.
Gotta take it easy, though. I don't want to get any more runs.
Definitely nice. Look at that. Look at that shine. The glistening red. Beautiful. Truly beautiful.
It smells like candy, honestly.
It does. It smells like I'm smelling apples. Look at that.
Oh, I just gotta get the bottom now.
It's truly beautiful.
Yeah. It looks very light, but it's badass. I love it. And the paint looks good. Like, I feel like it's good quality paint for some reason. I don't know jack shit about paint, but it feels like this is good quality paint.
Well, you know, here at Broken Hashira, we make sure we get the highest quality paints, and we make sure that we treat everything with the utmost care and sincerity, because
Exactly.
we like to treat your cars like our cars.
Exactly. It's just like this car was mine.
Exactly. I think it is yours, isn't it? It is your car.
Perhaps. Perhaps.
And that's why we're making it look so beautiful.
I know.
It's really good.
It's
looks
turning
so
out good.
And this is just the first layer. Just the first layer.
first
Next we
layer.
get it done.
Yeah.
We are on now the final layer.
I had a little
of the
oopsie.
beautiful-
Dude's already gone from broke to broken. Now it's broken Hashiria.
Oh, wait. We're broke. We're broke, Hashiria.
Exactly.
Broke
No, it's
Hashiria.
turned out nice. Soon, very soon, we put on clear coat and then we put on the car. But damn, painting takes time. I mean, we
It
ate,
does.
but
We ate also, and we're also homies, so we're gonna chit chat.
yeah.
But that's what makes the car culture here at Broke Hashira,
Hashiria.
Broke Hashiria, amazing.
So good. Exactly. All right, so this is pretty good. Looking fine. There are a few problems like these over here. And I think this, and there was a little hair over here. But actually, oh, here. There was a hair there. That's just where it used to sit.
Yeah, you can barely tell, but I know where it is.
You know where it is? Oh, fuck you, dude. Yeah, you did find it.
I told you. We'll find it out.
All right, now let's send it. I should technically sand this, but fuck it. I just want to, like, it's late. Let's do this. So here at Broke Hashiria Garage Auto Group, whatever it is, I've always wondered, what if I just spray clear on this? Because I never see anyone talking about just spraying clear coat on something
out
that's
parts.
faded.
Yeah.
I've never seen anyone say anything about it. I tried. Obviously, it's not the best, but it doesn't look awful.
It looks like we're about to restore something for really cheap.
Exactly. So I'm just gonna spray that shit. Exactly.
We do
Professional body work.
Professional tape jobs.
Oh my god. Professional many things jobs.
Here,
all right. So it's very possible I'll regret this a lot. Hopefully I won't. So I'm just gonna spray some clear coat over here. I kind of
remember what you did with the finger. Just do the same thing.
Yeah.
Because it's only clear
because I sprayed it and then just spread it with my finger. Honestly, it doesn't even look that. I know it looks pretty bad, but it's all right. I'll just spray it more.
I mean, you have a whole layer of paint coming that has already came off.
Yeah.
But obviously, whoever painted this did a good amount, so it's just faded. If you do clear coat, then you have to clear coat. Because look, if you get the section you did clear coat.
It looks perfect.
It
was faded, but it's not anymore. Okay. Let's see. It's not my proudest moment, but let's see.
It's a good moment.
Stand back a little bit, sir. You don't want to breathe this shit in.
Yes, sir.
Oh no! Oh my God! It's dripping so much. Okay, I gotta do this.
Yeah, you have to just smooth it out with yourself.
Oh my God, that looks absolutely awful, but it's a lot better.
It's a lot better than being faded.
Yeah, because I did this and it just all started coming down. I realize now this should probably be laying down. Oh, I'm so afraid of.
Perfect. That's it. Don't do any more. That's
restored.
Full restoration. Full restoration. Hold up. Let me fix. We gotta edit some of the video.
Wow, that looks absolutely. Honestly, if I wet sand this later, it will be like not that bad.
Dude, that looks so good. To see, we're doing everything amazing. We do it right here,
dude. That's awesome.
Amazing.
Thumbs up.
Hell yeah.
All right, brothers. So why do we buy work trucks in this country?
For storage and nothing else. That's how we do it here, bro.
Hashira. That's how we're leaving this. Just leaving it curing. Just leaving it curing. Yeah, I should maybe we'll put another layer tomorrow. But what's up, y'all? I could not help myself. It's the next day. I've already helped my landlady with her bicycle, so I got some grease on me. So this shirt is toast. But I just want to finish this. I really want to get like some more clear coat on. Chris was like, yeah, dude, like 3-4 coats is like the minimum. We only had 2, and it's a lip, so it's gonna see, like, sadly, a lot of action. So let's do the rest. And while we're waiting to see how the thing is turning out, this is how that mirror turned out. I'm honestly surprised. I've never heard anyone say anything about this. Like, yeah, there are runs. It was not well done. I was way too close to it, which is why, honestly, I think if I had just sprayed it from like here, it would have been fine if I had actually masked it off. But like from something that was like that to being like this, that's not bad at all. All right, 4th coat has been applied. Look at that glisten. Oh my God. SEMA show approved. Just let this thing dry. Put it somewhere, like in the shed or something. Yeah, we definitely have a bunch of like dust specks on it. Weirdly enough, more from sitting in the truck, I think, which is weird because the windows were closed. But honestly, that's just part of doing it outside. There's no other way that I could have done this. So I'll just live with the dust for now. It's not a big deal. Maybe, I was thinking about maybe wet sanding it, but it'll be fine. Wet sanding next time. Patience is key, I swear to God. Please be patient. Don't be like me sometimes. Be like me other times when I'm patient.